how to solve the Telegram SMS fee problem. What we're gonna do first, we need to uninstall Telegram. Go to your Play Store and search for Telegram and make sure that you uninstall. There is also another way where you long press on the app and there is that option of uninstall. Then the other thing is you need to open the browser of your choice and now search for Softonic website. Then you open the website and now let's search for Telegram. Then let's look for the older versions of Telegram. So the version that we're gonna download is version 9.7.2. So you click on download. As you see, it's now downloading our Telegram app. Let's head over to our Play Store, our Google Play Store. We go to the settings, we go to Play Protect, and make sure that Play Protect is turned off. Then head over to your browser where you downloaded the Telegram app from. Let's head over to downloads and then tap on the APK file to install it. Then tap just once, you install, then install. So now we're installing our version, our oldest version of Telegram. Then after, let's open our app. Let's open our Telegram app. Right, let's start messaging. And now let's allow all the permissions. Make sure that you allow the permissions. For instance, you select your country. Then you insert your number. Then let's proceed. Please know that if you're opening Telegram as your new account, you're using a new number, the SMS will be sent to you. So let's allow the call logs and all that. So the code has been sent to my Telegram app. I already have Telegram running on the other app. I'll just go and copy the code. But in case you don't have a Telegram account running on your app, you receive the Telegram via SMS. Let me show you how to do that. You come to this option of didn't get the code, you select it. So it's saying that, sorry, you didn't get the code by SMS or call. Please check your cellular data settings on your phone now. So you need to check the cellular data settings if at all you're expecting it from SMS. But now let me go and because I already have Telegram X running, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to Telegram X, then I insert the code, and now I insert my password, then I click next. There we are, that's my account is back. Wow, this is so amazing. So since this is the older version of Telegram, we need to update to the latest version of Telegram. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the Play Store, then I'll search for Telegram, then I'll just tap update. So it's now updating the app successfully. So the update is done and it's time to open our app. Congratulations! We have successfully updated our app to the latest version. This is the latest version of our Telegram. You see the interface and all that. Yeah, you can check in the version, it's 12.5.1. This is the latest version of Telegram. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.